Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Myself Aishwarya and today I'll be giving you overview of the project Kavisha the Canvas by Kavisha Group located in Vapa, Ahmedabad. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location and right behind me is the actual site. And now let me show you the neighborhood. So the road of the left hand side and right hand side both lead to VIP road as we are standing in the center. So now before we move further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where home buyers are directly connected with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do one single inquiry, then your number is shared with multiple brokers, which leads you to endless callings. But here in Housey, you are directly connected with the developers because here listings are done by developers and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today with Housey. In this overview, we'll be discussing about below points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. So let's start. First one is project overview. This project is being developed on 18,000 square yard of land parcel, featuring 8 towers with 2 basement plus ground floor plus 14 floors, having 3 and 4 BHK and 4 and 5 BHK penthouse premium residences. Now coming to the location part, this project is located near Sanskar Dham, Kavisha Canvas Road, Vapa, Ahmedabad with the distance of Krishna Shalby Multi-Speciality Hospital 1.7 km, Apollo International School 3.5 km and Club 07 4.8 km. Here you get access to 25 plus luxurious amenities like gym, swimming pool, theatre, indoor game zone, play court and many more. If you are planning to buy a home in Ahmedabad, then I have a strong recommendation for you. Make sure to watch Housey's Rights of Home Buyer series. Many home buyers are not even aware of their legal rights. For an example, if you pay a token amount to builder and later you decide to cancel the booking, then how much money can a builder legally deduct? If after possession you face issues such as wall leakages, construction defects, then what is the builder's liability? And most importantly, what legal rights do you have as a home buyer? We have explained all these important topics in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So before you buy a home, I strongly recommend you to watch this series at least once. You can find the link to the series in the I button above and also in the description below. With the carpet area of 3 BHK 1196.52 and 4 BHK 1802 square feet and 4 BHK penthouse 1942 square feet plus 435 square feet terrace and 5 BHK penthouse 2780 square feet plus 805 square feet terrace. Now let's discuss the booking process. Our token window is open. Client can come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project details. We'll share pricing and payment scheme. We'll show the actual location of the project. And then if clients likes it, then they can proceed to the booking amount and that is 1 lakh. So everyone, this was the complete overview of Kavisha the Canvas by Kavisha Group located in Vapa, Ahmedabad. If you are looking for more details of this project, then you can click on the link to download e-brochure and price sheet. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.